Hey, it's Xhico. Okay, RGB color versus CMYK color. RGB color is for the screen, so think video, websites, apps. CMYK color is for traditional print production in the four-color process. So RGB color uses light, red, green, and blue, to create color on the screen. When all the lights are on, you see white. When all the lights are off, you see black. And when there's any combination of those lights and color, you see the perceived color. So for example, this area of my bandana is probably showing blue light and a little bit of red to get kind of the darker tone, and then probably a little bit of green, but that's how you're seeing more perceived blue. CMYK uses four-color process: cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. And those four colors are used in a combination of small dots, and when they're laid over each other, you then get perceived color. So you get to see, let's say you have yellow and cyan dots, and you combine them, you'll have a perceived color of green. So when you work in these two different color spectrums, it's just important to remember that RGB has a greater spectrum of color and CMYK has a smaller spectrum of color. So you're going to get brighter colors with RGB and a little bit duller colors with CMYK. If you are printing POD site, you probably are going to be asked for RGB file. It's a little counterintuitive, but that's the way the new technology works.